On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2017 Freedom Express 320B by Forest River. This finely constructed RV is the best options for individuals who want the freedom to experience the great outdoors, since it provides optimal balance of comfort, convenience, and family-friendly features. There is an outdoor kitchen, so you can easily prepare our meals while enjoying the sunshine and natural surroundings. Upon entering the trailer, immediately to the right is a convenient entry closet. Hang and store your outdoor gear for quick access. The kitchen is fully equipped with storage all around and additional counter space on the center island with a double basin sink and high-rised faucet. Across from the island is an entertainment center and fireplace that can be easily enjoyed from the cozy booth dinette, kitchen space, or even the living room area. Just before the bedroom entrance is the bathroom, which is accessible for both the living area and from the front bedroom. The bathroom has a mirrored vanity with sink, toilet, and radiused cornered shower. The cozy queen bed in the private front bedroom has overhead storage in addition to nightstands and wardrobes on either side of the bed. Peeking into that second entrance in the bathroom, that radius shower features a skylight and frosted glass sliding doors. With plenty of storage for all your essentials, it's the perfect blend of convenience and comfort. Back inside the main living area, the cozy booth dinette can be easily converted into additional sleeping space if needed, and the large wall pantry next to the refrigerator can hold enough supplies for those extended weekend getaways. But perhaps one of the most impressive features of this travel trailer is the spacious rear bunkhouse, perfect for accommodating family or guests. On the left is the bunk with the cabinets below, plus the second wardrobe TV combo along the rear. And on the right is a flip-up bunk on top and a comfy seating below, making it a perfect spot to watch TV on the flip-around carousel. Whether you're hitting the open road for a weekend getaway or embarking on an extended cross-country journey, this Freedom Express has everything you need to make your travels unforgettable. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.